Those planning to reignite the controversy over the Onshore-Offshore Act may have to think again, as the Justice Minister and Attorney General of the Federation, Mr. Mohammed Adoke, has foreclosed any debate on the issue. Mr. Adoke, who was addressing a valedictory court session of the Supreme Court held in honor of retiring Justice Francis Tabai, warned politicians against overheating the polity as the federal government is working towards containing the challenges facing the nation. He also reaffirmed the commitment of the government to partner with the judiciary in enthroning a just and peaceful society.
The Nigerian Law School.
It was a moment of celebration as senior lawyers, friends and associates of Justice Francis Tabai converged on the main court of the Supreme Court to witness a valedictory session in his honor. The Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Aloma Mukhtar, set the tone for the event when she highlighted some of the achievements of Justice Tabai.
His knowledge and application of the law clearly reveals that he truly puts his mind to the practice of law.
The Attorney General of the Federation, however, criticized those raising the issue of onshore-offshore controversy, saying it is overheating the nation's polity.
I now find it most imperative to appeal to all Nigerians, particularly political commentators, legal practitioners, and others, to avoid overheating our polity through the current debates on the desirability or otherwise of reopening the issue of the abrogation of the onshore-offshore dichotomy in the allocation of derivation proceeds.
Although encomiums were poured on Justice Francis Tabai by prominent lawyers, the president of the Nigerian Bar Association advocated the need for retired judges to be allowed to practice after retirement.
Going down memory lane, we wish to recall that our great guest of honor started as a child.
The NBA hereby calls for the repeal of the provision of Section 292A of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and regulatory restrictions imposed on former judicial officers from appearing as advocates in Nigerian courts and tribunals.
And in fact, it's one of the few judges that went through the stages from being a lawyer, a magistrate, from then the Federal High Court as a chief judge, and up to Court of Appeal, and then the Supreme Court.
With an emotion-laden voice, Justice Tabai appealed to Nigerians to de-emphasize the issue of religion. He also advised members of the bar to stop unnecessary criticism of the bench.
I want to appeal to the bench, particularly the bar, to be very careful when you are attacking the bench.
Justice Tabai, who joined the bench of the Supreme Court 6 years ago, is retiring after attaining the age of 70.